Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Trending Today on the News Chronicle TV. Now, these are the stories that are trending across the globe. First off, U.S. President Donald Trump has announced his plans to replace the U.S. EB-5 Immigrant Investors Visa Program with a gold card that allows individuals willing to pay $5 million United States dollars to get green card privileges and a pathway to US citizenship. He criticized the EB-5 program as calling it fraudulent and ineffective. If you remember, this EB-5 program allowed investors of US businesses to obtain a green card. However, the current president is not buying that idea and believes that the gold card would be a much better pathway for the United States. Now, in Nigeria, Natasha Akpoti has filed a 100 billion naira defamation lawsuit against the Senate President Godswill Akpabio and his aide Mufon Patrick. She not only filed the lawsuit but demanded that they retracted what was said against her and offer a public apology. Now, so many other stories are trending. Be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com. Like this video and share it with your community, and I will see you another time. Bye bye. Hi.